Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. You can use this to turn your static information into dynamic visual content, which enhance engagement and comprehension for your audience. Let's get started. First, open your Word document. Make sure your document is well organized and properly formatted to ensure a smooth transition into PowerPoint. Select the whole text by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Then, change the style of the whole document to heading 2 inches by clicking on it in the Styles menu. Remember to change your titles to heading 1 inch since every new slide will start from each heading 1. Once that's done, click on the down arrow in the title bar to customize the Quick Access toolbar. From the menu, click on More Commands. In Choose Commands From, select All Commands. Now, scroll down to find Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it and click on the Add button. After that, click OK. You'll now see a Send to Microsoft PowerPoint icon in the title bar. Click on it, and voila, your Word document is now converted into a PowerPoint presentation file. You can edit and format it according to your requirements. Simply save the new PPT file, and that's how you convert a Word document to PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.